In this video, we are going to learn some basic English words and small sentences for beginners. Take it. Get into the car. Take a deep breath. Remember that. Don't forget. Take a bite. Take a sip. Behave yourself. Sit properly. Lay down. Sit down. Stand up. Watch out. Don't run. Turn around. Look down. Look up. Hold my hand. Look at me. Are you okay? Good night. Good evening. Good afternoon. Good noon. Good morning. Calm down. Stay relaxed. Don't shout. Open your mouth. Close your eyes. Keep in touch. Stay happy. Don't be sad. Come with me. Trust me. Believe in you. Let's go. Hurry up. I did it. I cannot do it. I can do it. Let's do it. May I help you? I can see you. How are you doing? I'm good. How are you? I love you. I am hungry. I don't like it. I like it. I don't know. I know. Sorry. Mention not. My pleasure. You're welcome. Thank you. Hello. Hi. Okay. No. Yes. Subscribe for more educational and interesting video. Have a good day. Bye bye.